Hi guys, welcome to Meta Vibes. Welcome back if you're a subscriber. I wanted to try to do a dry flower set from some dry flower items that I got from Temu. I will link them down below. So I got a few items from Temu. This was the first one. It's like a mixture of dry flowers, which I thought was really pretty. And I had this set in mind ever since I received them. The next one is this bluish pink one, which I think was my favorite. You get a pretty good amount for the price too. And then I also got this one. As you can see, everything's really sealed properly, and packaging's like great. But there's like a pink and orange mixtured one. And then I got this green one. I think I was looking, not really sure what I was doing there. But yeah, here's the green and yellow ones. I love how bright it is. And then I also bought this package of, I think, 12 different dried flowers. They're all different colors. Nah, these were gorgeous. See all the different colors you get. I think each one of those containers comes with 2 whole ones like that. I had to like cut them into pieces and everything to fit how I wanted them to, but you do get a lot for the price, and I will link those down below as well. I just love the colors and the variety that you get. Okay, so to start off, I already picked out my full cover tips. And over here I'm using builder gel, and I'm gonna start by doing the design on the actual nail. So I'm just gonna put it on the top portion of the nail. Make sure you only put the builder gel like where it's not gonna be on your natural nail, so that it doesn't like shrink and it fits properly. Make sure you put it like up higher, like not like halfway, like up higher, to make it like a French tip. And so that doesn't affect the size of the actual tip when you try to put it on. So I just put some builder gel, a thin layer of builder gel, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put whatever dried flowers I wanted on just the top portion. These tweezers really suck, to be honest. I did end up switching to different tweezers, but I don't think that they're on this camera. I mean, they're recorded. So there's no type of order, of course, just put them however you want them and flip them over to see if you like the placement. I'm sorry, my phone keeps getting blurry and focusing. I don't know what setting it's on that it keeps doing that. But I'm just going to go ahead and place the dry flowers where I want. It's focusing on the back green one. I don't know why. Kind of reminded me of like wildflowers. And it definitely made me think of like spring for some reason. Seriously, use a better tweezer. I think it took a lot of time because I was using this one, but like I said, I did switch over. Once you're satisfied with the placement, just cure it for like 10 to 15 seconds. Just a quick cure. I loved the different colors. I think it was gorgeous. So I didn't mention, but I'm sure you could see this is on the underside of the nail. So it's encapsulated. I'm basically going to do the same thing to all the nails. One mistake I did make when I first did them is I put the builder gel too close to where my natural nail is going to be, and it kind of made the tips like shrink, obviously, and it wasn't really fitting, so I had to redo everything. But I didn't film that part because it's basically the same thing. I just like I said earlier, just put the builder gel on the top portion of the tip, not too close to where your natural nail plate is going to be. I have to say, I really like the the dry flowers that came in those little tiny containers. I thought they looked like more like flowers. The other ones, I like them. I like the colors, like just to fill in space. But it did kind of look more like confetti to me. It wasn't, but they were gorgeous old items. Also, I put way too much builder gel the first time go around that I did it. So I did fix my mistake the second time, but just put a thin layer. You don't need that much builder gel. It's already thick enough. The white napkins that's on the background, that I also got from Temu, so I will link those down below as well. I got a pretty good amount. So I did go ahead and do whatever I wanted for the rest of the nails. I mixed all the colors up and I thought they came out gorgeous. You see how I just had them on the top layer, and now to actually put them on my nails. So to start off, I am going to buff the top of my natural nail just to get any excess glue that's left over and the shine off. Once that's done, I am going to use an alcohol wipe and clean up all the dust. Once that's dry, I was looking at my gloves. I thought it had sparkles on. I did get these gloves from Temu also, and I will link them down below. And no, I don't think they come with sparkles, but it just looked like that from here. So after the alcohol wipe, I went ahead and put on a dehydrator on all the nails. I already pushed back the cuticles and everything. I just did it off camera. Once the dehydrator is dry, I'm going to go in with the primer. I didn't really have to do any prep to the actual full cover tips because they were already etched on the underside. Once the primer was dry, I went in with the Jello Peel Off Base Coat. Just put a thin layer on each nail. And then I cured for a full 30 seconds in my big nail lamp. This was seriously the easiest nail set I've ever done by encapsulating it on the underside. The flowers, it was so easy. After I did the 30-second cure, I did go in with this sparkly gel nudish polish. I got this from Amazon. I will link it down below. It's reflective nude polish, and I thought it was beautiful, and it gave a perfect amount of like sparkles to the dry flower set. And I don't know why, but it made me think of like fairies and like fantasy world because it was sparkles and flowers. But yeah, I put a layer of that on my natural nails before, and I did cure for full 30 seconds. But just look at the sparkles. They're so gorgeous. I love them. I cured them for 30 seconds, and then to get into putting the nails on. So to start off, the sticky clay stuff, I think I put too much. But I did use the same builder gel, the Beetles builder gel that I used to place the dry flowers onto the full cover tip. So I'm just putting a little on the actual nail tip. Put a good amount, and then I'm going to do a quick flash cure in my small lamp. I went ahead and did the same thing to the rest of the nails. And then once they were all on, I did do a full cure for 60 seconds. I love the sparkles. So that's how they turned out. Once I got all the nails on and did the full cure for 60 seconds, I did take the builder gel and go over the dry flowers on the underside of the nails just because I didn't want any of them coming off. So I did that on the underside of each of the nails. You don't have to do this. You could just put a thick top coat if you want. I did both just because I didn't want any of the flowers coming off. Oh, I did forget to mention, when I did the dry flowers on the underside of the nail after the builder gel, when I was satisfied, I don't know if I said it, but I did cure each nail for like 10 to 15 seconds before putting them on and everything. Got some dry flowers on there. So then I went in with alcohol and this brush just to clean off the sticky layer of the builder gel. Making sure everything was secure, and then I did go in with a no stick top coat. This is literally my favorite top coat. It's so shiny and I love the consistency of it. It is a little more on the expensive side in my opinion, but it's worth it. I mean, I've had this for like 3 years now. But yeah, I just went ahead and put a good layer on the bottom side just so it's nice and clear, and secured everything. So the builder gel I cured, obviously 30 seconds, then I wiped it, then I put the top coat on the underside, cured for 30 seconds, and now I'm doing the top. Just look at the sparkles. I think they look so gorgeous, these nails. I was very happy with these, and it was so easy to do. Look how gorgeous it looked. I honestly was so happy with this set. I think they turned out really cute, and they're very easy to do. So please like and follow, comment below, let me know what you thought of the set and the process that it took and how you think they came out. I can't see the pinky though. I did accidentally get a dry flower stuck in the builder gel, which it is kind of bothering me, but it was too late at that point. I didn't feel like removing it and everything. It was too late, so, but it was fine. I still love the set. But yeah, subscribe, like, follow, let me know what you think, and if you like videos like this, let me know. I don't know if this was too fast paced. Like I said, I will link all the items that I bought down below. And thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna stop talking, but you can see the rest of the video. It's just gonna be cuticle oil and then some. It'll show how the nails turned out. Bye.